You already know how to get rich. And if that sounds arrogant, good. It should, because the real question is not how to get rich. It's this: why haven't you done it yet? It's not because you lack information. It's not because you haven't watched enough videos. And it's definitely not because the rules are hidden. The truth is much more uncomfortable. Getting rich is brutally simple, but it requires a version of you that most people refuse to become. You already know you should spend less than you earn. You already know you should invest consistently. You already know you should build something that pays you beyond your time. So why aren't you doing it? Because simple doesn't mean easy. Simple means there's nowhere to hide. No shortcuts. No excuses. No one to blame. And in the next few minutes, you're going to realize something most people spend their entire lives avoiding. You were never confused. You were just choosing comfort over control. And once you see that, you can't unsee it. From the moment you were young, you were given a script. Work hard. Stay consistent. Be patient. And one day, everything will fall into place. It sounds reasonable. It sounds safe. And that's exactly why it's so dangerous. Because look around. There are millions of people working hard every single day, waking up early, commuting for hours, doing everything they were told, and they're still broke. Not lazy, not stupid, just stuck. So the question is, if hard work is the answer, why isn't it working? Here's the part no one tells you. Hard work keeps you busy, but it doesn't guarantee wealth because wealth doesn't come from effort alone. It comes from where that effort is placed. Imagine two people. One spends 10 years trading time for money, saving a little, hoping it adds up. The other spends those same years learning how money actually works, building skills, creating something, taking calculated risks, same time, same energy, completely different outcome. This isn't about luck. It's about direction. And most people were never taught where to aim. They were only taught to keep moving. So if hard work isn't enough, what actually works? To understand that, you need to stop looking at money the way most people do. Most people think money comes from effort. You work more, you earn more. But that's not how the real game works. Money doesn't flow to effort. It flows to value, and more importantly, to leverage. Think about it. A person working 10 hours a day is still limited by 24 hours, but a person who builds something wants a product, a piece of content. A system can get paid over and over again. Same effort at the start, completely different result over time. That's the shift. The wealthy don't just work, they position. They focus on three simple rules: own, control, multiply. They don't chase money. They build things that attract it. Imagine money like a river. Most people stand at the edge, hoping some of it splashes their way. A raise, a bonus, a lucky break. But the wealthy, they build channels, pipelines, entire systems that direct that flow straight to them. Same river, same opportunity. One group waits, the other takes, and this is where most people get stuck. Because once you see the game clearly, you realize it was never about working harder. It was about playing differently. So if the rules are this simple, why isn't everyone rich? Because most people are not stuck by circumstance. They're trapped by patterns. And the trap has three layers. The first is comfort. It feels good to stay where things are predictable. A steady paycheck. A familiar routine. No surprises. But comfort has a hidden cost. It slowly trades your potential for security. You stop taking risks. You stop learning. You stop building anything that could actually change your life. The second is fear. Fear of failing. Fear of looking stupid. Fear of what other people might think. So instead of trying, people prepare. They plan. They research. They wait for the right time. But the right time never comes. And the third trap is distraction. Endless scrolling, endless content, endless noise that feels productive, but changes nothing. Hours disappear, days disappear, and at the end of it, your life looks exactly the same. That's how the trap works. Not by force, but by design. It keeps you busy, comfortable, and just hopeful enough to stay in place. And here's the uncomfortable truth. You're not stuck. You're choosing what feels safe over what could set you free. But here's the dangerous part. The longer you stay in that cycle, the harder it becomes to break out of it. At some point, everything comes down to a single decision. Do you keep thinking like a worker, or do you start thinking like an owner? Because this is where the real shift happens. A worker asks, how much will I get paid for my time? An owner asks, what can I build that pays me without my time? That one difference changes everything. When you think like a worker and you focus on hours, effort, and stability, you trade time for money. And no matter how hard you work, there's always a ceiling. But when you think like an owner, you focus on systems, assets, and scale. You stop asking for opportunities, you start creating them. Instead of working for money, you build things that work for you. A piece of content, a digital product, a business, an investment, something that exists, even when you don't. And at first, it feels uncomfortable because no one trained you to think this way. You were taught to follow instructions, not to create your own path. But once you make this shift, you start seeing everything differently. Time stops being something you sell. It becomes something you protect. And money stops being something you chase. It becomes something you design systems to attract. And once you see that clearly, there's no going back. Now here's the part most people are waiting for. The actual system, not theory, not motivation, just the steps. And this is where it gets almost uncomfortable, because you'll realize how simple it really is. Step 1, master one valuable skill. Not 10, not 5. 1. Something the market pays for. Selling, writing, marketing, coding, designing. You don't need talent. You need repetition. Because skill creates value, and value attracts money. Step 2, turn that skill into income. Freelance, side hustle, small offers. It doesn't have to be big. It just has to prove one thing, that someone is willing to pay you. Step 3, build leverage. Use the internet. Use systems. Use platforms. Create something once, and let it work for you again and again. That's how you break out of trading time. Step 4, buy assets, not liabilities. Most people try to look rich. The wealthy focus on becoming rich. Assets pay you. Liabilities cost you. It's that simple. Step 5, protect and multiply. Reinvest. Stay disciplined. Don't chase status. Build stability. Every pound you earn becomes a tool sent out to bring back more ages. That's the system. Simple, clear, proven. But this is where 99% fail. Not because they don't understand it, but because they don't stick with it long enough to see it work. So now you see it. Not complicated. Not hidden. Not reserved for a select few. Just simple. Brutally simple. The only question is, are you willing to do what most people won't? Because this is where everything changes. Not when you learn more, but when you decide to act. No more waiting. No more excuses. No more comfort. Just action. So tell me, what's the first move you're going to make? Drop it in the comments. And if this shifted the way you see money, even a little, make sure you subscribe. Because here, we don't chase hype. We build real wealth the smart way